Yeah.
That's the one with. Hey ladies, welcome to another episode of Cooking for Your Man. It's your girl, your Shore, in here with my sidekick, Jalen. Alright, today before we get started, Jalen got something to tell y'all ladies. What you gotta tell them?
Okay, so y'all need to smash that like button and ring that notification bell in 3 seconds. If y'all can do that, y'all are amazing. 3, 2, 1. If y'all did that, y'all are very special.
You're amazing. Hey, okay, y'all.
Cut that part out.
Okay, today we are going to show you how to do hibachi at home. This video is sponsored by the T-Shirt Queen. That's me. If you like my T-shirt, go on over to the tshirtqueen.com. You can click on it right here, baby. Take it right there to check it out, along with a whole bunch of other awesome creations by the T-Shirt Queen, formerly known as yourshore.com. Now with the tshirtqueen.com. Cause we be doing it up like that, you know. Whew. But I gotta take this.
Scratching your wig here.
I know, in the kitchen. Thank God this is coming up. You know, we ain't gonna put none of this stuff in our bowl for that man. But anyway, ladies, I'm so excited to show you how to do this hibachi. Before we get started, I have some important things that you need to do way early in the morning, girl. You got to do this early in the day, okay? Or it just ain't gonna go right. First, I'm gonna need you to cook that rice first thing in the morning at 8 a.m. or 7 a.m. The earlier the better, because you want to do this recipe with cold rice. You do not want to do it with warm rice because it's gonna be gummy, it's gonna be sticky, and your man gonna be like, this ain't no hibachi. I made a little sticky note so I won't forget what to tell y'all. Take some butter out. I need you to take out 2 sticks of butter, or however much garlic butter that you think you're gonna need. I usually use 2 sticks. I have some left over. Cut. Whoa. We back. We had to take a little intermission. You know what I'm saying? Then you're gonna take us some business real quick. But anyway, we back, ladies. First, before we get to the fun part, we got to get some garlic butter going. Ladies, please don't melt the butter in the microwave. That is not gonna, you're gonna see why. We can't use melted butter. It's not gonna work the same. Now to this butter, you want to add your garlic salt, ladies. We are using Lawrys. Lawrys, put it in front of the camera, son, not all the way over there. Lawrys garlic salt. Put that garlic salt in there.
It smells good already.
Alright, that's it to garlic butter. But remember that you have to use the Lawrys garlic salt. What kind they can't use? Can they use that kind from the dollar store?
Nope, not no McGarmy. No, not no to go with whatever. But Lawrys garlic sauce is the best.
That's right. Y'all heard him. He ain't lying. Lawrys garlic. Is it Lawrys or is it Larry's? I guess it depends on where you're from.
If you're from Mississippi.
The rich people say Larry's.
The rich people say Larry's?
No, they say Lawrys.
The British people?
Say Larry.
The British people, according to him, say Lawrys, and we say Lawrys. Whatever it is, you just make sure it's that yellow and green bottle. We will be cooking our hibachi meal on a flat top grill, or you can use the big griddle that you get from Walmart for like $20. Or Kroger. I actually purchased it from Kroger for $20, the extra large griddle. You can use that also. You just have to cook in smaller batches, and versus on the flat top, you can cook everything, you know, in larger portions, enough for you, your man, your kids all at once. Go ahead and put your stuff in these portion bowls. It's easier and it helps you out, I promise, especially when you're cooking it outside, because we gotta take all this stuff outside. I have my little tray over there on my stove that I'm going to be pouring it outside on. Alright, I got everything ready. You got to have everything ready because cooking hibachi goes by really fast, lady. Once you get into it, it is fast. So have everything ready. Alright, ladies, I think that's it. Why you bring the table in here, son? It's going outside. Go take it outside. Blooper. Yeah, blooper. Take it outside. Alright, ladies, we done with this inside work now. It's time for us to get outside. It's hot out there too. What time is it? 5 o'clock?
It's ready.
Okay, ladies, we done brought the party outside now. And if I pass out, it's because it's hot as hell out here. It is really hot. First, ladies, before you get started on your grill, of course, y'all, what the hell a goddamn bugs just got on my grill. This is the downfall of cooking outside. Y'all better watch out for them bugs because we don't want to stir fry their ass too. We don't need them. We don't need, you know, yeah, we don't need them.
Good source of protein.
Nah, we don't need no protein. But first, we want to preheat that griddle. Y'all know good and darn well I ain't turned on no gas. I ain't touched that. My man did that. Y'all know I ain't, nah. He went ahead and preheated that griddle for us. And like I said, it's hot as hell out here. God damn. First, you want to put down a little oil. We got to have some cooking oil. Next, you want to add your vegetables. It pays to be prepared, lady. Make sure you get all your utensils. Make sure you have a spatula. Once you get your vegetables down, you want to create a little hole in the center. We're going to add some garlic butter to the middle of that. I know it seems like I'm using a lot. If you're on a diet or if you're watching your calories, you can use a whole lot less butter, but I promise you it ain't going to taste the same. Now you want to add your seasoning. We're adding black pepper. And we're going to add some garlic salt, ladies. And ladies, you also want to add that sesame oil. That's what gives it that authentic Japanese flavor. Let that chill out. Make you a little flat layer. Oh my Jesus, it's hot. Now, I ain't gonna bore you with the entire cooking process of these vegetables, but please do note that you're gonna have to constantly flip them to prevent them from sticking and burning. Let them cook for like 1 minute, then stir and flip. You got the camera on this?
Yes, I do.
Know how to flip. Take your spatula, flip. Okay, ladies, we're back. It took us 10 minutes to cook those vegetables. It is hotter than, I don't know what. Comment your best hotter than jokes down below because I want to read them because it's hot out here. Now we're going to go on to our rice. I'm going to be cooking 2 different kinds of rice, ladies. I'm going to try this Jasmine rice for myself. And we're going to use the rice that we usually use for my husband, which is the parboiled rice. And as we did with our vegetables, we're going to dig a hole in the center of our rice. And we're going to put that garlic butter on there. Too much for that Jasmine rice. On both sides. We're going to save a little bit for our steak and our shrimp. Okay, ladies, once you got your butter in there, that rice is going to pop a little bit. That's all right. That's all right. Don't be afraid of it. Mix it around. Let that chill out. I'm adding garlic salt to both piles. I'm going to let y'all know how this Jasmine rice turned out too at the end of the video. I'm going to add some black pepper. Add your sesame oil. And you're going to add your onions. Oh, y'all. The same thing with the vegetables. You want to let it sit on your grill for like 30 seconds, 15 to 30 seconds. Then you want to begin to flip it. Alright, ladies, our rice has been cooking for about 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to scoop that rice over to the side to clear out a half for our eggs. We're going to pour those eggs down. And we're going to kind of scramble them in the middle. It's okay if it touches. What the hell was that? That's why I don't like cooking in summertime. Scramble those eggs up real quick. It's going to be quick. Extra eggs for me. Yeah, I'm putting so hard. With this wig off, but that's alright. Add soy sauce to your rice. The last step, ladies, to making this rice look like authentic Chinese rice is those chives, baby. Let's take a break. We got all that rice off the grill. It is so hot I had to go get some water. Now we're gonna do the last step in our at-home by Hibachi. We're gonna cook our meat, ladies. The meats are up to you. You get to choose whatever kind of meat you want. I put down a little vegetable oil. And we also are going to add some of the garlic butter to each side of your grill. We got some ribeyes in this thing. 4 of us. So we cooking 4 steaks. Mine's gonna be me and the kids gonna be medium rare. My husband don't like nothing red, so he's gonna be well done. And on the other side, we're gonna lay these shrimp down. Now these shrimp cook fast, ladies. As you can see, my husband pre-seasoned this with some garlic sauce and some black pepper. That's what we're using in these, garlic sauce and black pepper. Take a little bit more of that garlic butter, add it to your shrimp. We're gonna check on our steak. Ooh, we a nice little chop. Turn it up a little bit though. Ooh, pretty. Now we need to go ahead and flip these shrimp, y'all. Pretty. Now we're gonna flip these steaks, baby. Woo, yeah. We're gonna get these shrimp off this grill. Them shrimp are done, ladies. It don't take shrimp no time to cook. Now, to keep everything hibachi style, we're gonna go ahead and start slicing these steaks up. So put your fork in the steak to hold it down and begin slicing. That's mine, ladies. These two I'm gonna slice up in the house. It's too hot. Okay, ladies, we are back. We almost have to do a complete outfit change. It is hot. Hot out there, ladies. Hot. We're back. We had a little makeup, sweat off, a little eyebrows gone, a little mascara ran, but it's alright. We got through with it and we're done. As promised, I'm gonna taste this jasmine rice on camera to let y'all know my initial reaction to how it tastes and the flavor. I got the plate all pretty for that man, girl. With your yum yum sauce, ladies, it is optional. It is not required, but it makes everything taste so much better. Alright, Angel, let's see how this rice tastes. I'll let you know. Make sure you keep my face so they can know. Tastes like fried rice. I thought it was gonna be a little different because of the aroma that the jasmine rice has. It was kind of florally and nutty, but it actually tastes like fried rice. So if you want to use the jasmine rice, that is perfectly fine. It's just as good as the parboiled rice and it's delicious. So if jasmine rice is your preference, go for it. All right, ladies, thank you for watching. Once you get that plate all fixed up, give it to that man. He'll thank you later. You can thank me later. So thanks again for watching. And please like and subscribe. Hit that bell down below so I can bring you more videos that you can cook for your man, girl. Deuces. See y'all next time. Do we have any outro music? Can you put the outro music on? Never mind. Just go ahead and turn it off.
Cut.